Oh, what? It depends. It depends on situation.
I don't know if that's true.
Oh!
I don't. That's not true.
Not true.
Bro, sometimes it's never happened. Today sa morning.
I'm not kind of that person.
What's up guys? Ngayon titignan natin kung anong magiging reaction ng Billionaire Gang sa post na to. Because there's so many things happens in this world and I won't believe in this because this is not true because the social media, you know? Biro lang. Pero yun nga guys, tingnan natin kung ano magiging reaction ng Billionaire Gang dito. Ay,
Wala kami pakin.
oh, ito may isa. Si Irwin. Oh, subukan natin. Win, dahil unang araw ko dito sa BG House. Unang araw ko ngayon eh. First day ko ngayon.
Gabi na.
First night. Meron akong papakita sa'yo na post sa Facebook. Trending to boy. Trending to the post. Naniniwala ka ba dito? Sa post na to. Pumupogi ang lalaki pag nag-i-English. Naniniwala ka dito?
Hindi.
Oh, bakit?
Gago ba?
You don't believe in... You don't believe in this shit?
I don't.
Why?
That's not true.
Wait, this is not true.
That's fake.
It's fake? Oh my goodness. This is the what happened if you go to social media, you know? What happened to you, my brother? What happened to your friend?
I'm practicing.
Oh.
Kasi I'm very fast. So I'm trying to be slow.
Oh my goodness. Okay guys, subukan naman natin yung nasa taas, okay? Ikaw boy, naniniwala ka ba sa post na to? Ikaw ba?
Anong post yan?
Ito post na to, ito.
Give me alone.
Hindi ka ba naniniwala dyan? Hindi ka naniniwala?
Give me alone. I don't read. Ha? Get the fuck out of here.
Tara. Punta natin doon sa dito. Bago ko ituloy, meron mo akong gustong ipakilala sa'yo. At ito, ang SE Sports. Ang SE Sports ay kilala bilang Sport Business Consortium sa pamamagitan ng pagbili nito, at nito. At pwede itong tumubo ng ilang araw, linggo, at buwan. Napakadali lang naman gumawa ng SE Sports account. Pumunta ka lang sa link dyan sa baba at kapag nakapunta ka na rito, ilalagay mo yung phone number mo at magsisend sa'yo ng OTP. At maglalagay ka ng 6-digit password mo. Para makapaglagay ka ng pera sa balance mo, ay kailangan mo lang ng GCash, Maya, at Bangko. Kaya basic lang yan. Ayan, dito na tayo. Time natin mag-recharge. Pag recharge, i-click mo lang yung magkano yung ilalagay mo. Yan, click mo, next mo, ilalagay mo yung phone number ng GCash mo. Tapos may QR code. I-scan mo lang yung QR code. Pag scan ng QR code, yun. Mag-appear na yan. Pag appear yan sa GCash mo, kailangan mo lang i-next. Tapos, isi-send mo siya. So guys, explain ko sa inyo kung paano mag-invest dito. Yan, pupunta lang kayo dyan sa project. Tapos, ito na yung mga na i-investan nyo. Tapos, i-click mo to. Example, yan, gusto mong mag-invest dyan, 14 days. Tapos, may income ka na 1.4. I-click mo yon. Tapos, mag-appear ka dito. Pagka-appear mo dito, yan, punta ka doon, buy mo siya. Yan, so yan, nakabili na tayo. Yan, in just 14 days, pwede ka nang kumita ng 1,400. Oh, diba basic lang? Yan, paano mag-withdraw dito? So yan, i-click mo yung withdraw, tapos ilalagay mo yung account na gusto mong i-withdraw. Example, mag-withdraw ka ng 4,000, pag withdraw mo, yun, papasok na kagad yun sa GCash mo. Diba? Sobrang dali lang. At meron silang special offer dito sa VIP 1. Kapag nakapag-invite ka ng 4 na tao dito, makakatanggap ka ng 1,100 plus electric fan. At sa VIP 2 naman, kailangan mo lang mag-invite ng 12 people, makakatanggap ka na ng 3,300 plus electric scooter. At sa VIP 3, 30 people lang yung kailangan mo, makakatanggap ka na 9,000 pesos plus Samsung phone. Sa VIP 4 naman, kailangan mo lang mag-invite ng 70 people at makakatanggap ka ng 20,000 cash plus aircon. So mga kaibigan, pag naabot natin yung 70 people, ipapag-giveaway natin yung aircon at isa sa inyo ang makakatanggap plus cash. Basic lang yan sa atin guys. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo, click nyo na yung link in the description at pumunta ka na sa SE Sports. At malay mo, ikaw ang mananalo ng aircon plus cash. At kapag nagkaroon ka naman ng problema, ay pumunta ka lang dito sa contact manager at sila na ang bahalang mag-assist sa'yo. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Pumunta ka na sa SE Sports. Malay mo, ikaw na talaga ang makakuha ng cash na may kasamang aircon. Basic lang ang mechanics. Pumunta ka lang sa Instagram ko, tapos screenshot mo na nakapag-register ka na sa SE Sports. Basic lang. Kaya pumunta ka na sa SE Sports.
Ito si Lamin, so guys. First day ko ngayon eh. First day ko ngayon sa
Bilang
BG.
editor.
Oh, bilang editor ni Boss Tony. First day ko ngayon. Kasi yung sa Lamin. Pero na ako nakitang post sa Facebook na trending siya.
Ano?
Dito pa si Yang A, oh, Yang A. Naniniwala ba kayo sa post na to?
Anong post?
Ito yung post na yun, oh. Ayan, oh.
Kung pogi lalaki pag naging...
What? It depends. It depends on situation. You
Why?
know what I mean, bro?
Oh,
Because you know when you handsome, you speak English.
oh, that's
What?
why it's not true, right?
It's true.
It's true.
I'm
Not
handsome.
true.
It's
Oh,
not
wait,
true.
it's not true.
It's not true.
Why? Why?
Because of the gravity of the earth. It's not a handsome because she have. He have. Ooh.
What is bobo? What is? We don't understand you.
You.
Why? Why you're not speaking English, Ring? Oh.
You know, bro. Even you speak English, you're handsome.
Oh. Thank you, my brother.
Yeah.
Thank you, my brother.
I'm handsome.
I'm handsome.
Hamburger.
Hamburger. Oh, just show you.
I'm handsome.
Yeah, I'm handsome.
I'm handsome.
Handsome though.
You know, bro. The real handsome treat the friends for free.
Oh. It's not true, guys. The what happened in the social media is not true. It's not true because it means that you don't believe in this post.
What you say?
You don't believe in this post.
Yes, I'm not believe. Yeah, I don't believe.
I don't believe.
Because
Oh.
when I look at you, ooh. Monkey.
Oh, you trust talking me. It's my first day here. Oh.
You first day?
Oh, yeah.
Are you really sure, bro?
Yeah, it's my first day here. It's my first day here.
No. Ooh, monkey.
Ay, bahala na kayo.
Wait. Ooh, monkey.
I really don't understand you. Don't intimidate me.
Your motherfucker, father, brother, ha?
That's why. Hindi kayo naniniwala ata.
Ay, pumangin yung Tagalog, pumangin.
Sorry guys, tapos na natin pag-usapan si pakita yung post.
Okay, tapos na yung vlog.
Wala pa yun. Tatanungin pa natin
Oo.
si Boss Tony. Sino pa yung makita natin sa BG. Okay. Ito si Boss naman tatanungin natin kung anong magiging reaction niya dito. Boss, meron kasi akong post dito, boss. Pero kasi post na trending dito
Premyo?
sa Facebook. Kung naniniwala ka ba dito?
Kala ko premyo eh.
Hindi premyo yan. May post ito lang. Ito yun, boss. Oh. Pumupogi daw ang lalaki pag nag-i-English. Oh.
I'm not kind of that person.
You don't believe this, right?
I don't believe that.
Why? Can you explain yourself why you don't believe this post?
I know myself, I'm handsome.
Oh yeah. You know yourself that you're
I don't
handsome.
say English para pumogi lang.
Oh, yeah,
Because
oh, yeah.
I'm handsome in person.
Oh yeah. That's why that's my boss. That's my boss, Boss Tony. He's not referring to English speaking because you okay? Boss, you don't believe this, okay?
I don't believe that.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Because your boss is idiot.
Yeah. Oy, you're
His,
idiot.
his English is wrong, Graham.
Oh, you're no Graham. You're okay. You're on Graham, boss eh.
9 days to go, I can taste that Graham again.
Oh! Okay, boss. Thank you, bossing.
Thank you,
Thank
don't
you.
get my way.
Don't get my way. Sige guys, tara. Labas na tayo. Di kasi, ganito, may papakita ko sa inyo. Kung totoo ba itong may nakita akong post. May nakita akong post na kung totoo ba to. Ito yung post na yun, oh.
Not true.
That's not true, man. Bro, sometimes it's never happens when everyone's talking to that.
Oh, diba?
Yeah.
Ikaw.
Today sa morning, so
Bro, don't believe everything in social media because it is not true always.
yeah, and I don't believe on monkey, but the monkey says
You teach me how to dog? Yeah! Oh, no, it's not true, right? Yeah?
Bro, I don't understand monkey language, ah.
Bro.
I'm not speaking, I'm speaking. You know.
Yeah, you know it. You wanna know me, bro?
What's your eating right now? What's your eating?
You want to eat?
Yeah, this pose is not true, guys. Believes me.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Brother, thank you.
Go away.
Okay, guys, tanungin natin si Bossing Bon dito. Ipapakita ko sa yung post ba sa Facebook na trending to. Ako naniniwala ka ba dito? Ito yun, no? Pumupogi daw ang lalaki pag nag-English. Naniniwala ka ba?
I don't know if that's true.
You don't know because
I really don't know. Because for me, I'm very humble guy and I don't think I look good.
Yeah.
But if what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
doing?
You need to fix that, bro. You vocal? Vocal?
Clam bossing. Tranquilo.
So that's what I'm talking about.
So
bro.
you don't believe in this bossing?
What's the meaning of that again? If you speak,
Pumupogi ang
you're being handsome when you speak in English.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Speaking English is very normal to me.
It's
I don't know
normal,
about
guys.
that.
No? So it's not true. The most handsome is like, normal to us.
Normal, yeah, very normal, very
So
normal.
thank you, bossing for
No problem,
thank you.
Okay.
It's not true. Don't believe.
Vocal, silamin.
So yun guys, nakita nyo na yung reaction ng BG. So maraming salamat. Guys, huwag nyo kalimutan like, share, comment, and subscribe. At rin nyo na yung notification bell para updated kayo every time may bago tayong video. Subscribe!